Hello and greetings. Thank you for connecting and taking interest into my profile. I would like to give you a brief about myself and my career. My name is Vishal Vyas and I'm 29 years. I'm born and brought up in India. My family is of 5 members. My father is a businessman, my mother, she is a housewife. My younger brother, he has recently done his masters in finance from UK and currently is employed with Axis Bank in India. My younger sister, she also has completed her masters in human resource management, and currently she is working with a retail organization known as Shoppers Stop in India. About my education, I would like to tell you the last I have done my diploma in human resource management from Nasimunji Institute of Management Studies, and which is a deemed university and very known university in India, Mumbai. I am graduated as a bachelor's in management studies from Mumbai University, and I have done my higher secondary certification in commerce. And secondary certification is from Maharashtra Board, which is known as SSC, which is the schooling board that we say in general. If I will like to tell you about my work experience, which is of around 7 years full time, and if you include freelancing with that, it will be around 9 years. I started my career way back in the year 2004 as a freelancer for an general insurance company. At the same time, I was also doing my graduation because I am graduated in the year 2006. As you see, it is an early period to start any career because mostly everybody start their career after graduation. And touchwood, I was in no such need that I had to start it so early, but I always had that skill, to learn things, to absorb things, and to keep me and my qualities apart from everybody around me, because I knew in future there will be a lot of competition to survive, and for that I need to start preparing as soon as possible. At the same time, when I was doing a freelancing in the year 2006, I started working as a field sales executive for a pharma company in which I was marketing for general medicines, in which I was dealing with the general physician and the local pharmacist, which was a field job. I was working in a team wherein I was supposed to give reporting in the morning and evening both. It was a sales oriented task, and as my early career, I was very much enthusiastic, and I learned a lot of things in my this job. After this, I got into an engineering firm which was dealing into manufacturing of a huge machinery, which is known as a molding machine, which is used to manufacture any plastic product. For this, I was handling the production part of engineering, and my job was to do the roastering, keep a check on the material purchase, at the same time to market this product with the existing buyers of the new quality and uh, what you say, new quality and something new which was brought, of the latest technology. So I used to go ahead and give presentation about the machinery which we have developed and try to sell them. The cost per unit, I remember, was around 9.5 to 11 lakhs that time, and I was very happy that time. I was enjoying that work, and I managed to get some accolade from my bosses also. But as you see, once you finish your graduation, you want a very big corporate culture wherein you try to prove yourself on a larger platform. So I started looking for the opportunity, and then I at that time the insurance industry was booming, and I remember I joined Max New York Life Insurance Company as an associate sales manager, not being the sales manager because my age was not fitting the criteria, but they gave me the opportunity to work as a manager, wherein my job was to recruit agent and advisors, quality which can get a business for the company, and they have a point rating system wherein you cannot make anybody an advisor. The rating parameter should match the following criteria, which you can say they were aiming for the high net worth individuals who can self buy themselves the insurance policy first, and then look for the market around. So that was also very very challenging job because it was a target oriented, and we were given targets weekly, and we were monitored hourly. So we were given a lot of training and development. Then I had a team of 20 agent and advisors in a very short span of time, all of them quality. I did a good business for the company, and I learned a lot. I trained them. I got trained from the company trainers, because I feel selling insurance is something you are selling papers, and making somebody ready and capable of selling the papers on behalf of you or being with you is a very very tough job. But touch wood, as I'm open to learning always, I give the best and prove myself in the same industry. After that, again, insurance is something wherein after a point of time you reach a place wherein you feel that the market is over. Now you cannot stretch yourself, or you feel that you should explore more, because insurance till an extent is limited to selling policies and giving service to the customer. After that you cannot perform better in any way. So that time I remember telecommunication. Yes, Sistema Sham Teleservices Limited, which is a huge telecom provider in India, and they have a brand called MTS. So they started their operations in Mumbai Circle, and they were looking for team leaders who can handle a team for corporates and get good business from corporates for the company, because they started new operations in Mumbai. So luckily, I got the chance to work in telecommunication as a team leader, or you can say a corporate manager, though, because they were looking for somebody who could go and do meetings with the IT managers, admin managers, and the people who take care about the IT supplies in any big corporate. If you go through my resume, you will be able to see the name of the big companies that I myself go and open the accounts for. And touchwood, they still are happy with this service, and I am still in touch with everybody of them, though I am not a part of the same company. But this gave me a good PR opportunity to know people, those who are very very successful in their careers. Maybe not from the same stream which I belong to, but I have learned many things from them, and it was a good learning experience for me with MTS also. Then if I was feeling the same thing, that there is something still which I am lacking to explore in myself. Then I found the opportunity that operations could match in myself, because operations is something wherein you have to be good at everything around you, because if operations are not good, nothing can go in place. Then I got the opportunity to work with a huge retail brand known as Future Group in India, which has a brand called Pantaloon Retail India Limited. Therein I joined as an operations executive, wherein I was handling a store of 25,000 square feet, and the entire store operations, which includes inventory, SOP adherence, audits, and logistics, admin, maintenance, customer service, cashiering, everything. So I think myself lucky, because not being from the operations, not being from the retail, and getting into such a big profile, uh, it helped me a lot. I learned many things in a very short span of time, and I understood the meaning of operations, how important an operations plays role in any organization, be it telecommunication, be it insurance, be it retail, be it a construction company. Because if operations are not in place, nothing can happen on time, and if nothing can happen on time, the results better. So I try to develop myself more and more into operations. Then I got an opportunity here in Saudi Arabia, where I'm currently working in a company which is international company and deals into construction, and they have a retail part for hunting and sporting equipments, which they import from all many countries around the world. And here I joined in as again an operations manager, wherein my major part is to look into operations for purchase and logistics, and at the same time I'm handling the admin part also for all the stores, maintenance, budgeting, inventory, because operations, I feel everything comes into picture. Even if you try to, you know, even if you try to run from any kind of responsibility, you have to be part of it, because operations, I feel, is interlinked with all the different channel and workforce around. So coming here and learning is again an international exposure to my career, a new learning, a new growth to me. And maybe I look future wherein I get a big opportunity to explore myself more, and you know, being a part of company wherein I can see growing myself in the coming years, because I feel now I have developed the basic skills which are required to work in any good company. I would not like to name a few of them which I really wish to join. And if you feel that I am capable of or my profile suits your job requirement, you can do write me or call me anytime. And if you write me an email, I will be right there to reply you as soon as possible. And if you need anything from myself, just drop an email to me. Once again, thank you for your interest. Thank you very much.